Okay, go. Say funny things. Funny, funny, funny. Say peace. Where's your house? Where's your room? What's your favorite TV show? 90210? Where's your mommy? Where's she at? School? Does she ride the bus? Oh, she drives? She tells you shh, shh, shh. The babies on the bus go shh, shh, shh. I mean the mommies on the bus go shh, shh, shh. What do the babies do? What does that do? The horn? What do the wheels do? The wheels. What do the people do? Those wheels go round and round too. Uh-huh. Where's... Are you tired? Ew, there's Buggy. It's gonna get you. Ew. You got it. Ooh, Bubba. Do you need a diaper change? Where's your underwear? Go get some underwear. This will show you a cool trick. While we are waiting for this little boy to continue, we will be watching the little program. Here he comes. That's not underwear. That's not underwear. You forgot the underwear. Go get underwear. Kids these days. What are you going to do? Did you get underwear? You didn't get underwear.